Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. I am your friend and finance guru CA Vishal Thakkar, back again with another interesting topic of discussion. In my previous video, I had suggested that I am starting a new series on tools for financial analysis, and here I am. We saw what is common size, we saw what is comparative, we saw what are ratios. Now let's do deep dive into ratio analysis. So today's topic of discussion is liquidity ratios. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you ask which is the most important information displayed right on the face of the balance sheet globally, it is nothing but liquidity. Why? Very simple. Look at the large scale scams that have happened in last 20-25 years. All you will see one common thread, be it Enron, be it Xerox, be it WorldCom, be it our own homegrown Satyam. All of these scams carried one common thread. The trustees of the money siphoned the liquidity of the company. So, globally, the analysts, the accountants, and the governments harp upon one fact, that if we want to answer one question about the company on the face of the balance sheet, it has to be liquidity. And you see, as per International Financial Reporting Standards and US GAAP both, we classify the assets and liabilities into current and non-current, primarily, and financial and non-financial, secondarily. So what do we learn? We learned that liquidity is the most important aspect of financial analysis when you are looking at any large, mid-size or small businesses. So what are the tools of liquidity? Well, there are three key ratios of liquidity. Ratio number one, current ratio. Current ratio talks about current assets by current liabilities, which tells you that how much of your current assets are there to cover your current liabilities. Ratio number two, quick ratio eliminates inventory from the current assets and makes it even more liquid, and tries to understand that how much of your current liabilities are covered by your quick assets. Ratio number three, acid test ratio. Acid? What are you talking about? You are using the word acid in finance. Yes, this is the only place where we use the word acid in finance, and that is acid test ratio. Acid test ratio talks about your cash plus near marketable securities by your current liabilities to find out how much of your cash can cover your current liabilities. It's like asking you a question, how much cash do you have in your pocket right now? So friends, these are the three tools of liquidity that we learned today. If you wish to do a deep dive on all these tools, how they are used, in which industry which ratio would be ideal, what should be the range, very soon we are coming up with another web series on ratio analysis. Yes, and by the way, if you don't know, we have a very successful web series called Finance for Non-Finance, which is a super hit. If you haven't purchased it, go and buy today. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Finance Tube.